Listen, I was stranded in Colombia. Stranded. I almost did not get on that plane because the agent at the gate, so in the airport, ready to go, ready for my flight, at the gate, have my passport out. And they're like, you have a Jamaican passport? And I'm like, yeah, I have a Jamaican passport. But Costa Rica, they don't have travel restrictions. Like they don't need a they don't need a visa, right? Because I'm like, to my knowledge, I never knew of this. So the person was there and they was scanning my American visa a lot, and it was going beep beep beep, like it wasn't going through. And I'm like, why? You should have scanned the Jamaican page, girl. I was like, just scan the Jamaican page. And he was like, no, we have to check. So I'm like, what's going on? So I started to Google, like, do you need a visa to get into Costa Rica? Like, do Jamaicans need a visa to get into Costa Rica? And then based on what Google was saying, it was saying how once you have an American visiting visa, a Canadian visiting visa, and you have used it in the last 6 months, then you should be fine. And if you have a Japanese visa as well, I have an American US visa, visiting visa. I have a Canadian visiting visa. I have a Japanese kind of like an entrance card. So I was like, I meet the requirements. So why is it going off? Why are you not letting me on the plane? And it kind of reminded me of when I was in Singapore, when I was in South Korea trying to get to Singapore. I had this similar issue, and I had to be like, just read Google, just read what Google is saying. Like I can't get into the country. So, anyways, they did it. Another person come over trying to do it, and then finally, like a lady came over and she was like, you know what, you can go. And I was like, this is going to give, like, you're letting me through, but when I get to Costa Rica, they probably block me. So what is this about? What is going to happen when I get to Costa Rica? Will they deport me? Like, what will happen?